What's up guys, welcome to Lost Visuals, and in today's episode we'll be going over 5 crucial tips that can help you improve in your cinematography and videography skills. And without further ado, let's cue in the cinematics. The final look of your films play a critical role in delivering the best looking cinematics. Shooting in manual mode also allows you to have full control over how your final image ends up looking like, and will help you a lot later in the post-production stage.
Choosing the most appropriate frame rate while filming can help you achieve the most cinematic results in your final film. Always use 24 frames per second when shooting normal speed video to achieve the most cinematic look in your final work.
Using a shutter speed double the FPS number can help you achieve the most natural motion blur. When shooting in slow motion, always use a higher frame rate like 60 FPS or 120 FPS while shooting, and slow it back down to 24 FPS later in post.
Having good lighting is another factor that also contributes to the final look of your image. When possible, film during golden hour instead of during midday. Golden hour can help give your shots a warmer and more vibrant look. It is much more diffuse and shadows are not as harsh, providing us with the most optimal conditions for shooting.
Audio makes up 50% of your videos. Anyone can still watch a video with bad resolution, but videos with bad audio, well, that's simply unwatchable. If possible, always use a mic recording audio, and a windshield to block off as much wind as possible. Using a mic when filming can literally produce a drastic difference in sound quality. I suggest getting a mic from a well-known and trusted brand, for example, Rode microphones, or if you have a higher budget, one from Sennheiser.
Lastly, use the most appropriate song you can find for your final edit. Your choice of music in your videos or films play a huge role in delivering your desired cinematics. Using the wrong song in your videos can make it look completely different than what you envision it to look like. We recommend licensing music on websites like MusicBit or Epidemic Sound. They have a huge library of song choices with multiple genres, making it easy to choose the perfect song for your video.
Right guys, that's all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!